guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is going to be an exciting one because it is going to be my BOXYCHARM versus my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Boxes are so crazy. They're like a total different size, but that does not mean that one is better than the other all the time. So with that being said, if this is something that you're interested in seeing, then just keep on watching. If you're new here, I just want to say hi, my name is Victoria and I'm so grateful that you decided to click this video and give it a watch, and I really do hope you stay for a while. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see my face on your YouTube feed. Okay, so when I first started my channel, I was getting Ipsy, the little sample one, and then Sephora Play. So I did do like maybe 2 videos on my channel with Ipsy versus Sephora Play, and now I have upgraded my Ipsy, and this is actually my 4th month of getting Ipsy Glam Plus, but my filming schedule was a little bit, but now that I have the time, whatever. With that being said, I have the time now, and I have been really enjoying the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus recently. It's some misses, some hits, but whatever. It's the same with Boxy. So BOXYCHARM I have been getting for about almost 2 years, and I don't care how tired I might be of some items that don't work for me, I'm never going to cancel it, and by the looks of it, I'm probably never going to cancel Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And let me just tell you a little bit of details on the prices. So BOXYCHARM is like $22 a month. You get it every single month. You get 5 to 6 full-size products. Box always retails for more than $100. Every 3 months, if you are subscribed to it, you do get Boxy Luxe, which I do get Boxy Luxe. So I don't know if I'm going to be doing this type of video next month because it is a Boxy Luxe month, I believe. Yes, it is. Anyways, now Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is like $25, and you do get about the same 5, maybe 6 full-size products, but it is $5 more. Supposedly, you're supposed to get like a little makeup bag, but I don't think they do that anymore. I know when they first started, they did that. Whatever. So now, enough of me talking. If I left any details out, they will be in the description box down below. Let's get into BOXYCHARM versus Ipsy Glam Plus. So we are going to start with BOXYCHARM first just because it is a smaller box. So the first thing that I got is this Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil, which retails for $42. Now, I have been really into face oils and skincare in general. I don't know, Christina Chang really got me into skincare and taking better care of my skin, and everything that I have gotten from Wanda Beauty has either been from BOXYCHARM, Ipsy, or even Try Beauty sometimes, and I have been loving everything that they have sent me. So I did not test this out yet. Disclaimer, none of the products that I am showing you I tested out yet. I do want to do a video in the future testing out these products and letting you know my thoughts. But this does retail for $42. I personally would not pay $42 for it, but I am happy that we got it, and I cannot wait to give this a try. I heard nothing but great things about this, so I am excited. So the next thing that I got in my BOXYCHARM is this Big Eagle Tarte Mascara. Now, this retails for $23, and a lot of people are really excited about this. Personally, I wanted the serum, but it is what it is. But it is a cute little pretty pink mascara. It has like a nice weight to it. I have not tested it out. I have not opened it because I don't like to open mascaras unless it's time for me to use them, and I still have 2 that are open before I get to this one. But this does retail for $23. So the next thing is a lip liner, and it retails for $15. This is from Steve Laurent, whatever. And this is the lip liner. It is like a nude shade, which will probably go perfect with the lipstick that I have on now. I did watch a couple unboxings, and a lot of people said this hurts and was hard, so I will test it out in a future video just to really see. But $15 for a lip liner is, I guess, it's pretty decent, like if you want to talk about MAC prices and other things, but you could get a lip liner for so much cheaper. The next thing I actually thought was ColourPop, and if you do watch unboxings, then I'm pretty sure you heard that a lot. It is from Ace Beauté, and it is these little glimmer shadows. Now, this is what it looks like. It looks really, really pretty, and these 2 retail for $25. I really hope that one doesn't retail for $25 and it's actually both of them. I'm assuming both of them retail for $25 because for one, no. But I am going to swatch it for you. It is really smooth. It kind of really feels like ColourPop. It's amazing. These are the shadows that I got. So smooth, so buttery. I'm gonna give them a try. Definitely this pink one I'm really excited about. And the last thing is this Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This retails for $39 and this one I am definitely trying out on camera because a lot of people say that it gives you like that wet feel, and I've seen a couple unboxings of them trying out on camera and they literally look shocked. So this is what it looks like. I don't really want to show you the cover because it's reflective. I have not opened it, I have not tried it, but girl, I am gonna be trying it probably tomorrow when I film a video because I just need to show you my reaction on this. So that is it for everything in my BoxyCharm. My box came up to $144. I feel like there's a lot of times where we get the small boxes where it reaches exactly $144. But I paid $22 for the box. I got $144 worth. So now let's get on to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and I can tell you it is heavy. So I'm just gonna get the add-ons out the way. So with Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, even with the small Ipsy, you can do add-ons. You could like cash in your points or whatever. So they basically have full-size products for $12 and then they have like samples for like $3 and you can do the add-ons. So I like to do the add-ons. I usually do the $3 add-ons. Sorry for the motorcycle. But with that being said, I usually do the $3 add-ons just because it kind of gives me the excitement of having like little samples as well. But this month, I decided to put a $12 add-ons. And the add-ons are really good. Like they have the Huda Beauty Little Small Obsessions palettes for $12. So you can't go wrong. So let's get the add-ons out the way so we could get into the good stuff. One of the add-ons I got for $12 was this Gold Fading MD Dr. Scrub. It does have good reviews. I know this retails for way more because the eye cream I got last month was $55. So for $12, I said, let me give this a try. And then I also got two $3 samples. So this is a Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm Cream. Real small, $3, can't go wrong. And I believe I paid $3 for this as well. I don't think I paid $12 for this. But this is a Pixie Blush and Whisper Pink. The first thing that's in the Ipsy box is this Perlice Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30. I've been getting into like sunscreen more. This is the size. It is a full size and it values for $45. I don't know. I wouldn't pay $45 for this, but I can't beat this, especially because it's a moisturizer and an SPF. So I think I'm going to be getting a lot of use out of this. So the next thing is actually a nail polish, which it is so stinking cute. The packaging is amazing. It is from Smith & Coat in Forever Fades Fast and it retails for $18. I like getting nail polishes just because I'm so cheap. Like the only nail polishes I buy is the cheap ones from Target or even Essence. And this retails for $18. You will never see me paying $18 for a nail polish, and this is the shade that I will really get some use out of, so I'm excited. And it's heavy. Like I feel like if I throw this at someone, I can knock someone out. The next thing I got retails for $26 and it is the Super Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops. This is in the shade Trust Fund and this is what it looks like. So stinking beautiful. I have been really into like liquid highlighters lately, so I cannot wait to give this a try. As I mentioned, I am going to do a video trying out every product that I'm telling you about today, but I know this video is probably going to get kind of long, so I'm just trying to show you the stuff. This next product, I was pretty shocked at how big it was. Like looking on the screen and knowing I was going to get this, I actually thought it would be smaller, but this retails for $32 and it is in the Balm of your hand. Ooh, I kind of stuttered for that, but it's really big. Like, I never thought that it would be like this. It does come with some eyeshadows, the Mary Luminizer, some blushes, and a bronzer. So this is like literally everything that you would need to be on the go. It's literally in the palm of your hand, but as they would call it, the balm of your hand. And the last thing that I'm truly so excited about, because I have been wanting to try this brand's foundations for so long because I heard nothing but good things, but they're pretty pricey and I'm pretty cheap. So I'm so happy that we got this in a box. It is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation. It does have an SPF of 50. This retails for $39.50. I know, like, I can't see myself paying $40 for a foundation, only if it's like Fenty Beauty. But this is the foundation, so it did come in the shade medium, and I am so excited. I love the packaging of this. I heard nothing but good things about IT Cosmetics foundations, and I cannot wait to try it. Like, this is amazing. So this box retailed for $160.50. Now, the prices of the box will not determine which box won, but I will tell you my honest opinion on which box won for me this month. And I would definitely have to say Ipsy Glam Bag Plus definitely won. And the reason why is because of this foundation and this. These two products alone basically won it for me. Now, the Becca product in the BOXYCHARM, I'm really excited about, but everything else, I don't know, I wasn't really excited about. The mascara, I wanted the serum, or I could have even taken the pink mask that they had on, and the Ace Beauté shadows, unfortunately, I'm not that into because I have so much color pops that I barely even pick up. The lip liner, it's always nice to get a lip liner and eyeliner, but I feel like I never really use it. That's why my lipstick is all over the place. But I was more excited for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Even this moisturizer, this liquid highlighter, but just this product alone really took the cake for me. Like, it just really took the cake for me, as well as this. Like, I thought it was gonna be some little small palette, and it is big and it has everything I need in it. I'm especially excited because I get to try these blushes, which is the Frat Boy, the Down Boy, the Bahama Mama bronzer, which I never tried and I heard good things about it. The Mary Luminizer, it's fine. I have a full size, so it is what it is. But if I ever travel, if I was to ever go anywhere, this is in the palm of my hand. So with that being said, let me know in the comment section down below which one you believe won. And that is that. That is going to go ahead and complete this video. So I really hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Stay blessed, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and comment down below which one you think won. Did I pick the right one? Or am I going crazy and Boxy one? Because I think it's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus this month. I'm gonna go. Bye.